On Scottish Housing Day 2018, we're celebrating how social housing makes a hugely positive difference to the lives of our tenants. We work closely with our tenants to deliver the services that they tell us they want. Here's how we have performed over the last 12 months in the areas that tenants have told us are their priorities, illustrating the wide range of work carried out by Perth and Kinross Council's housing service for the people who use our services. Increasing the number of council houses available for rent. In 2017 and 18, we increased the amount of council houses that are available to rent by 83. We completed a number of new council house developments at Cairns Crescent, Nimmo Avenue and Glenairn Road in Perth, and at Cluny Way in Stanley. This gave us a total of 42 brand new, high-quality council homes for rent. In addition to this, our buyback scheme saw us purchase 41 former council homes from owners. The council's total housing stock now stands at 7,540 homes. We also worked with our housing association partners to support them to build new socially rented houses. In total, 159 additional socially rented homes became available in Perth and Kinross in 2017 and 18. This exceeded our target of 150. Improving the quality of repair and getting them right first time. We are continuously working to improve the performance of our repair service. This year, the number of housing repairs we got right first time increased from 82.76% in 2016 and 17 to 91.11%. Improving soundproofing in your home. A successful pilot project has been carried out in a property in Stanley to cut down noise using special insulating materials. Provision has now been made in future years' budgets to roll this programme out. We are currently compiling a list of our properties that would benefit from this sound insulation work. Maintaining and improving your homes. During 2017 and 18, we upgraded the central heating in 694 houses, replaced the windows and doors in 526 houses, provided external wall insulation for 75 houses, installed renewable technologies such as solar panels to 25 houses, installed 273 new security door systems to blocks of flats, installed new emergency lighting in 458 blocks of flats, and redecorated 89 blocks of flats using fire retardant paint. As a result of this work, the percentage of our homes which comply with the Scottish Housing Quality Standard is now 96.15%, up from 95.62% in 2016 and 17. Focusing on environmental improvements. Improvements have been taking place on land owned by the housing service right across Perth and Kinross during 2017 and 18 under the Estate-Based Initiative Scheme, EBI. Tenants and community representatives, elected members and staff have identified a range of environmental improvements and enhancements in Alyth, Blairgowrie, North Muirton, Tulloch, Letham, Stanley, Luncarty, Errol, Auchterarder, Abernethy, Almonbank and Crieff. These range from cleaning up overgrown areas and cutting back trees to installing new signage. Feedback from residents about EBI projects has been overwhelmingly positive. In 2018 and 19, new EBI walkabouts will be held in Burnham, Kinlochranach, Aberfeldy, Rattray, Scone, Bridgend, Muirton, St Catherine's in Perth, North Muirton, Methven, Auchterarder, Abernethy, Craigie and Moncrieff, Dunning, Letham and Tulloch, providing more support and guidance to help tenants become digitally aware. Our digital inclusion project has continued to support tenants to make the most of what's available to them on the internet. Things like banking, emailing, social media, reporting housing repairs online, and shopping. The Scottish Government has 19 indicators which outline what being digitally included means. When a learner is aware and demonstrated each indicator, they are then classed as being digitally included. And our project ensures that all of these indicators are covered, giving people who take part a great overall knowledge of the digital world. In 2016-17, 335.5 hours saw 15 learners become digitally included, and in 2017 and 18, 363.5 hours saw 11 learners become digitally included. Thanks for watching. We'll be working hard to make sure we continue to improve your services.